Hi students, today we are going to solve the paper of mathematics of class 7 FA2 which was given in the year 2024. Let's see the questions. Now number first one, choose the correct answers. Now what is the question? What are the fractions with the same denominators called? So you know numerator and denominator. The fractions with the same denominators is called three options are there: unit fractions, unlike fractions, like fractions. The answer is like fractions. Number 2, what is the simplified form of the product 12 by 24 and 36 by 24? Now understand the question. What is the simplified form of the product 12 by 24 and 36 by 24 72? That means you have to product means you have to multiply these two. The answer are given. Now just you want multiply these two fractions. That's 12 by 24 into 36 by 72. Now 12 divides 24 by 2 times. 12 ones are 2, 12 twos are 24, and 36 divides 72 by 2 times. 36 ones are 36, 36 twos are 72. So now you have to multiply both the numerator and denominator. Now 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So 1 by 4 is the answer. Now it is given in the option D. Option D is 1 by 4. So answer is 1 by 4. Now the third question is, if two adjacent angles are supplementary, they form a dash. Number A, linear pair. Complementary. B, complementary angles. C, vertically opposite angles. D, transversal. The answer is linear pair. Now number 4, question number 4 is, if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the pair of interior angles on the same sides are. Understand the question. Two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Then the pair of interior angles on the same sides are. Option is corresponding angles. B, supplementary angles. C, vertically opposite angles. D, alternate angles. The answer is supplementary angles. Now the main question number 2, solve the following. First one, find 1 by 2 of number 1 24, number 2 46. Let's take the first one. Number 1, find 1 by 2 of means you have to multiply the number. So first one, 1 by 2 into 24. Let's take this one, 1 by 2 into 24. 2 divides 24 by 12 times. So 2 ones are 2 12s are 12 is the answer. Now the next question, second one, 1 by 2 of 36. Now 1 by 2 into 46. 2 divides 46 by 23 times. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Now the answer is 23. Now let's go to the next question. Question number 6. Find in that sub question 1 by 3 divided by 6 by 5, and number 2 is 2.48 divided by 4. Now let's solve the first question. Answer for the first question. Now take as it is 1 by 3 divided by 6 by 5. Now as you know, when you multiply a division, that means when the number which is in the division part, that is now we have to divide it by 1 by 3 by 6 by 5. Now when it becomes multiplication, it will become reciprocal. That means numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. Now 6 by 5 will be 5 by 6 when you multiply. Okay. Now you multiply the numerator and the denominator numbers. Now 1 into 5 is 5, 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Now the second question, 2.48 divided by 4. Now when you take 2.48 2.48. So when you convert this 2.48 into a fraction, then you will get 248 divided by how many zeros we have to put? One followed by two zeros. So 1 followed by two zeros. So this will become 2.48 if you convert it into decimals. If you convert it into fraction, then it is 248 divided by 100. Then multiplied by, if you change this division to multiplication, the numerator becomes denominator and the denominator becomes numerator. So this, if it is 4, then it will be, here it will become 1 by 4. Now we can divide 248 by 4 for 62 times. 4 6 are 24, 4 2s are 8. Now 62 into 1 is equal to 62, 100 into 1 is equal to 100. Now you make it to convert it into decimal. That means if there is two zeros, then we have to put the decimal point from two numbers from right side, 2 digits from the right side. That is 2 and 6. After 2 and 6, you have to put decimal point, then 0. That is 0.62. Now the next question. Find the complementary of given angles. Now you know what is complementary and what is supplementary. Complementary angle means it is 90 degrees. Supplementary angle means 180 degrees. Now we have to find the complementary angles for the given angles. That is the angles, when they are added, it should become 90 degrees. So answer is complementary angle of 72 is equal to 90 divided by 90 minus 72. That is 18 degrees. When you add 18 degrees to 72, it will become 90. Next, the complementary angle of 25 is equal to 90 degrees minus 25 degrees. That is 65 degrees. When you add these two, you will get the 90 degrees. Now the next question. Find the following pair of angles are complementary or supplementary. Now you have to distinguish these angles, whether it is a complementary angle or a supplementary angle. The first one is 130 degrees and 50 degrees. The second one is 63 degrees and 27 degrees. Now answer 130 degree and 50 degrees. When you add these two, it will become 180 degrees. As you know, 180 degree is a supplementary angle. And next, number 2, 63 degrees and 27 degrees. If we add both these two, 63 and 27, it will become 90. That is complementary angle. Now the next question. A carton contains 16 boxes of nails and each box weighs 4 3/4 kgs. Now how much would a carton of nails weigh? That means you have to understand the question. Now here there is a carton. There are 16 boxes of nails inside the carton. Now each box of nails weighs 4 3/4 kgs. Now how much would a carton of nails weigh? That is, we have to find what is the weight of the carton with the 16 boxes. Now, one box weighs 4 3/4. Now first you have to take the data. Weight of one box of nails. How much the weight of one box of nail is? 4 3/4 kgs. Now weight of carton containing 16 boxes. That means 16 boxes of nails are inside the carton. So we have to multiply 4 3/4 kg per box into 16 box. As usual, you convert this into mixed fraction into a fraction. So 4 4s are 16 plus 3 is equal to 19 divided by 4 into 16. Now 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So 19 into 4 is equal to 76 kgs. Therefore, the weight of the carton containing 16 box is equal to 76 kgs. Now the next question is, Name the relation between angles formed by the transversal in the figure below. There is a figure. Here is there is two parallel lines and one transversal line. Name the relation between angles formed by the transversal in the figure below, given below. So this is angle number 1, angle number 2, angle number 3, angle number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now they have given what is the relation between angle number 1 and angle number 8. Here is angle number 1 and angle number 8. This angle is called alternate exterior angles. These two angles are called alternate exterior angles. Now angle number 4 and 6, here number 4 and number 6, these are called pair of interior angles. These two are pair of interior angles. In the same way 3 and 5 also interior angles, pair of interior angles. Now angle number 2 and angle number 6, here angle number 2 and angle number 6, this is called pair of corresponding angles. These two angles are called pair of corresponding angles. In the same way 1 and 5 are also called pair of corresponding angles. Now angle number 2 and angle number 7. Let's see, angle number 2 and angle number 7. These are called alternate exterior angles. These two are called alternate exterior angles. Now let's go to next question. A vehicle travels a distance of 43 2 by 10 in 2 by 10 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? The question is simple, but you may think that it's very complicated as the mixed fraction is given. These are not in a whole number, so it's a mixed fraction. But we should understand, whichever the question is, we know how to solve it. That is, how to solve, whether we have to divide this by this one or this by this one, or we have to multiply this one. For that we should know what is the way to solve the problem. Now let's see. Now we have distance and liters. The distance it's in 43 2 by 10 kilometers. It's in kilometers. So let's take, what we have to find is how much distance will it cover in 1 liter. Okay. So now take petrol one side, distance kilometers. Now petrol, in what, how much petrol it will cover? 43 2 by 10 kilometers in 2 by 10 liters of petrol. 2 by 10 liters of petrol, it will cover a distance of 43 2 by 10. So the question is, how much distance will it cover in 1 liter? In 1 liter of petrol, what is the distance covered by this vehicle? Now in this case we have to do cross multiplication. As you know, cross multiplication, here we don't know this distance, so let's take it as x. Now when you cross multiply, you just take this x in the left hand side of the equation. Now x into 2 by 10 is equal to 43 2 by 10 into 1. Okay. Now when you solve this, x is equal to 43 2 by 10 divided by, when this into signs comes to the right hand side of the equation, it will get divided by 2 by 10. Now we have to solve this equation. Now before doing that, first we have to do the steps. Now let's write down the data here. Distance traveled by a vehicle in 2 by 10 liters of petrol is equal to 43 2 by 10. Now next, therefore distance traveled by a vehicle in 1 liter is equal to how much? Same thing here. 43 2 by 10 divided by 2 2 by 10. Now you solve the question. It's the same as other like a fraction division of fraction. Now 43 into 10 430 plus 2 432 divided by 10. First you convert it to fraction divided by this is a mixed fraction, you convert it into fraction. 10 into 2 20 plus 2 22 22 divided by 10.